In this video, I'm gonna perform a quick fingerprint sensor speed test on the Samsung Galaxy A27. Now, unfortunately, we do not have the display fingerprint sensor on this phone, and instead the fingerprint sensor is located on the power button over here. And this is how we can unlock our phone, by just simply touching the power button on the right side of the phone. Now, still, I think it's worth giving it a try and perform a little test in order to see how long does it take to actually unlock the phone, how quick the sensor is to react to the fingerprint. So let's give it a try. First, of course, I'm gonna try to do this while the phone is locked, and then we're gonna also see when the display is completely off. And in this case, as you can see, a simple tap on the sensor allows us to immediately unlock the phone. Now, I think for such a smartphone as Galaxy A27, it is actually even better to have a fingerprint sensor located on the power button instead of the display, because it's probably cheaper for Samsung to even make such a sensor on the power button instead of creating one on the display. And I have to say that usually those fingerprint sensors that are located on the button are faster than most of the fingerprint sensors that are under display, because usually under display fingerprint sensors are optical, so they are slightly slower than the sensor on the power button. Of course, we also have ultrasonic fingerprint sensors, but let's be honest, we cannot really expect Samsung to add ultrasonic fingerprint sensor on their mid-range Galaxy smartphone. So I think this is actually a pretty solid choice. So, of course, I know that some people prefer to use the under-display fingerprint sensor. In that case, well, that's too bad. But in the case of speed, I have to say that the sensor is very responsive. As you can see, I just have to slightly touch it. I can even something like tap it in order to unlock the phone. So it's very responsive, very rapid. Of course, you still have to make sure that you touch it in a correct spot, because otherwise it might be not actually unlocking. But as you can see, if I place my finger correctly, then it unlocks pretty much straight away. I don't have to hold my finger for too long, and it unlocks immediately. And it doesn't matter if we have the lock screen or if the phone is completely locked and the display is off. It reacts almost instantly. This is also another advantage of sensors located on the power button, and that is that in the case of when the screen is completely off, so when it's like this, when the phone is completely locked, usually in order to use the fingerprint sensor, while we can use it by just touching on the display, it needs some time to wake up the sensor and then to unlock the phone. So usually when the screen is completely off, the fingerprint sensor is the slowest, especially if we compare it to the lock screen when we try to use it on the lock screen. Here, this problem does not exist, because we can unlock it pretty much the same way, at the same speed, at any point, because the sensor is just always visible, it's always accessible just by touching on the power button, and the phone doesn't really need to wake it up or anything like that. It reacts instantly. So I would say that even though we do not have display fingerprint sensor, this fingerprint sensor that we have on the power button is very fast. It's even better than those other Galaxy A models that are a little bit more expensive, that have the optical display fingerprint sensor. So I guess that's a big plus for me. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.